Good day, I'm Lorraine Mendez and this is your JIS News for Tuesday, December 6. Government will be signing a social partnership agreement with representatives of the opposition, private sector, trade union and civil society tomorrow. The Partnership for a Prosperous Jamaica, PFPJ, will replace the Partnership for Jamaica, which was signed in 2013 and expired in July of this year. Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who will chair the PFPJ, says government is committed to expanding and strengthening the group's capacity to ensure it becomes a permanent institution in the Jamaican society. He says the PFPJ should operate as the umbrella group that will interact with other social partnerships, such as the Economic Program Oversight Committee and the Economic Growth Council, to determine the national priorities. Jamaica is expected to see an additional 60,000 visitors this winter tourist season with the introduction of more weekly Delta Airlines flights from Atlanta, Georgia in the United States. The arrangement is the result of a partnership by Delta Vacations and Turismo Excursions based in Mexico. The announcement was made at a press conference held at the Sangster International Airport on December 1, where Turismo's locally based representatives were on hand to greet the first set of visitors. The winter tourist season officially starts next week. The Ministry of National Security is providing training to equip policemen and women with the tools to recognize, deal with, and respond to domestic violence. This is in light of statistics which show that approximately 37% of murders committed in Jamaica stem from domestic incidents.
And if we can cut that into 10% by a quarter, we would have made significant progress.
The National Security Minister was addressing a domestic violence conflict resolution training session at the Jamaica Conference Center on December 1. Reports indicate that while women are the primary victims, a growing number of men are also suffering from domestic violence. The training, therefore, is tailored also to assist police personnel in providing gender-neutral responses to victims.
And when they turn up, many times, they are laughed at and called mama man and all those things. And the issue is not being properly addressed.
To help address this and other issues, he again assured that conflict resolution personnel would be assigned to police stations across the island. The Ministry of Education, Youth and Information will be rolling out its revamped National Values and Attitudes campaign next year. The campaign will promote good role models for children in school and the community. That will involve appointing values and attitudes champions in schools and other organizations and engaging parents and the wider public using traditional and new media.
Studies in several countries, including Jamaica, have shown that where parents take an active interest in their child's schoolwork by being involved with the school, by keeping with what's happening, the child tends to be much better motivated and do much better academically.
Minister Ruel Reid was speaking at a parents' exposition on December 2. It recognized parents who had successfully completed a parenting school organized by the Kingston and St. Andrew Family Court. The program delivers courses designed to assist parents fulfill their duties. Participants are referred by judges hearing their cases or by the court's counseling center or partner agencies. The National Works Agency, NWA, is currently undertaking a $5 million spray patching program along several roadways in St. James. Community Relations Officer for the NWA's Western Region, Janelle Ricketts, says the program targets approximately 4,700 square meters of roadway. That includes sections of the Barnett to Adelphi roadway, the stretch from Adelphi to Hamden, and the Johns Hall to Stapleton corridor. Work will be done on the worst affected sections of these roadways. This forms part of an island-wide program which is targeting the western parishes of St. James and Hanover in this phase. And finally, 164 agriculture students have received scholarships valued at $9.4 million through the Rio Tinto Alcan Legacy Fund. The scholarship is being administered through an agreement between the Jamaica 4-H clubs and Rio Tinto. The funds will assist students at vocational, secondary and tertiary institutions with tuition, transportation, books and lunch costs. Minister of Industry, Commerce, Agriculture and Fisheries Carl Samuda, in a message read by Director General Don McGlashan, says the scholarships will enable young people to become farmers and entrepreneurs.
This significantly supports our own efforts through our Youth in Agriculture program to attract and engage young people in making a career in the agriculture and agro-industry sectors.
Approximately $33.5 million has been invested in the program since it began in 2010. The fund is managed by the Development Bank of Jamaica. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Lorraine Mendez. Thanks for watching.